I found Michigan Tech through talking to my two-year college and trying to figure out what I wanted to pursue as a career. Once I came to Tech for biomedical engineering, I decided that wasn't really what fit me. So I took an exploring majors class and found the communication, culture, and media major, which really allows me to explore different cultures, understand how we effectively communicate with one another, and also develop different videography and photography skills. After switching into the communication, culture, and media major, I realized that I wasn't the only person that switched out of engineering, and that staying at Tech has been the best decision of my life. I really enjoy being at an engineering college, but being able to connect those dots and show the engineers on campus what else is out there, and that they'll have to interact with people in the arts or communications or technical writing, deal with videographers, photographers on a daily basis, and that's not a norm here. So I'm a part of the Synoptic Enterprise on campus here at Michigan Tech, and it's a great opportunity to learn new skills in videography, design, and really being a part of different projects that affect not just campus but the outside world. I have the opportunity with Synoptic to volunteer not only at the 41 North Film Festival, but to meet the filmmakers there and get some vital experience and ask questions about the industry and best practices for making films and how to connect with people better. I love Michigan Tech because of the community that is here. It's very open to new ideas, different people, diverse cultures, and different foods. There's a lot of good food here. I would suggest to students to be bold. Don't be afraid to be bold. If you don't take that step to come drive up here, you'll never know this experience and maybe miss out on the time of your life.